Hello, today we're going to learn about the Loom Screen Recorder. So thank you very much. Let's dig in. First of all, you'll need to come to your browser and type there loom.com, and then you press enter. It should take you to the Loom website page. Click Get Loom for free. It opens another tab and it will require you to sign up or sign in. If you already have a Gmail account, it's better to sign up with Google. So I'm going to sign up with Google. It opens a window here with my Google account, my email to my Google account. So I'm going to use this email and it will sign me up automatically because I'm already signed into my email. So already you can see it is signing up with my name, Kennedy's Blessing, and then personal library. So what you need to do, the first thing, Loom can be used in three main ways. You can use it as the browser version. Number two, you can use the desktop app version or the mobile app version. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to take you to the desktop app. So I'll come here to my profile image, and I will click on download desktop app. So here it is. So for the browser version, the only thing you need to do is to install an extension. But for the download, for the desktop app, you click download app. So I'm gonna click download app. It has finished downloading, so I can show the folder where it is. Here it is. The only thing you need to do when it is here is to run it or install it. Already I have it installed in my machine, but it's not a difficult process. So let me just double click on it to run. So you will run on it on your desktop. It says it is already running. So let me say okay. There it is installing. I've just done it afresh. Okay, it has finished installing. And once it is done, it opens up the application. Now this is the application, this is the way it looks like. So you can see it opens with some options. Number one, the video and the screenshot. So we are doing video here. So you can choose between the options you want. What do you want? Do you want to record the screen and the camera, or you want to record the screen only or camera only? So I want to go with the screen and camera. And then, do you want to record full screen, window, or custom size? Let me choose full screen. Then you can pick the camera that you want to use and the microphone that you want to use. And then once you're done, you can click start recording. So it will give me a countdown and it will start. So as you're doing the recording, already it is doing a recording. There are things I want you to know as you're doing the recording. Number one, the video here, you see your video, you can push it to whichever place you want. And if I come here, there are options. I can make it bigger, or I can take full screen. See that? So let me return it back to the way it was. Yeah. I want it that way, and you can position it anywhere of your window you want it to be. That is the first thing you can do. Another thing you can do as well is you can annotate your screen. On the sidebar here, there are annotations. I can pause the recording, I can cancel, or I can draw. When I click on drawing, I have different items. This is the width of the pen. I don't want to become so big. If I choose the bigger width and a pen, you can see it is bigger. If I slide down to that and I take another color, you can see it is already changing. So you have the options of annotating your screen as you're making your recording. And when you're done, you just click done and everything, the annotation pen disappears. So once you are done with your recording, you'll click the stop button here, or you can press Ctrl Shift plus L. So I've clicked stop. When you stop, immediately in your account, in your Loom account, the video will be there. You can see this is the video. All right. So on the video, you have other options like trimming the video or the video preferences that you'd want to have. They are here. You can have a look at them depending on the way you want. So for me, I want to download my video so that I'm able to paste it into my YouTube channel. So what I'm gonna do is, you see the three buttons here. I'll click on them. There's an option to delete and download. So I'm going to click download and say download video. Okay, there it is downloading. Here in your account, you can see it is downloading. In your account, you also have the options of copying the embed code. You remember embedding videos, YouTube videos. You can also decide to embed it from right here. So that is okay. So already my video has downloaded. So let me right click so that I can open it up, show in folder. Here is my video on my downloads. So let me play using my, I'm going to open it. I want it to play with, let me play it. So you can see the video is playing. I want you to know as you're doing the recording. Number one, I can take full screen. See that? So let me return it back to the way it was. Yeah, I want it that way. And you can position it anywhere of your window. So let me pause the video there. Let me close the video. So that is how you are able to record videos. And if I can look at my account here, what I'm having, I'm already having one video, and I can just choose to have it there, or I can even delete it if I am not so happy with the video. So you can be having many videos in your Loom account, and then after that you can be sharing links so that your colleagues can be able to see without much hassle. But the best thing is to download it, and then you're able to upload it in your YouTube channel.